Hello. Today I made a doorbell as per someone request. So let's see how I make this. First of all, like and subscribe and share with your friends. I made this taser gun few days ago. Today I made a doorbell from this gun. Disassemble this gun and remove the handle and switch from this gun. I make a switch from some metal plates and wires. Let's see how I make it. Let's make a doorbell switch. You can also use a push switch and bell switch. But I make it my own switch. Comment down the next video. I suggest you to use a push and bell switch for easy to make this doorbell. And switch is approx ready. And switch is ready to work. Connect the switch wire to gun old switch wires. And bell is ready to work. Let's see how it is sound. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, babe.